You've heard the whispers, the promises of untraceable transactions. But is it true? Can a Beam wallet truly vanish into the digital ether, leaving no trace? Beam, a privacy-focused cryptocurrency, boasts cutting-edge technology like Mimblewimble, designed to obfuscate transaction details. But does it truly live up to the hype? Can you truly send and receive funds without leaving a digital footprint? Let's dive deep. Mimblewimble, the magic behind Beam, works by merging transaction data together. Imagine a ledger where individual entries are obscured, making it incredibly difficult to isolate specific transactions. It's like trying to find a single drop of water in a vast ocean. This confidential transactions feature aims to make it nearly impossible to track the flow of funds, a crucial aspect for those seeking financial privacy. But is it truly unbreakable? While Mimblewimble is a powerful tool, it's not invincible. Law enforcement agencies are constantly evolving their investigative techniques. Advanced blockchain analysis tools can still uncover patterns and potential connections, even with the added layer of privacy. Remember, no cryptocurrency is entirely untraceable. Every transaction leaves some sort of digital trace, even if it's difficult to decipher. The key is to understand the limitations of the technology and use it responsibly. Beam offers a significant step towards greater financial privacy, but it's not a magic bullet. Always prioritize responsible cryptocurrency practices and be mindful of the potential risks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.